Kenyans the meanings of these things so that our colleagues stop taking Kenyans for a ride. Honorable Karugo.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will head on to an issue that has been canvassed. Just last night, out of 4 hours, I think we spoke about the housing levy for a good 2 hours, 13 minutes, and I was counting. It has been reported, misreported, and I think we are not addressing what is the key issue. And I do not think Ruto also knows what the key problem is with this. What we think is happening around the housing levy is that Ruto has friends somewhere. He has assured them you will be investors and you'll have tenders, and you will come and provide us with sockets and wires. And so the deal is done, and now they're doing the backward cleaning. Because essentially, if you ask yourself with the housing levy, what problem are we curing? Are we curing the problem of unemployment? Are we curing the problem of housing? Or is it a problem of income, like most of us, those of us in the finance and economics field believe? What is the point of building somebody a house and that person cannot feed themselves? Even if, and we argue, even if these people are built for houses, they will live in the streets with sufurias in their heads like us in Jubilee and bakulis in their hands, because they will not have food. So where are your priorities? That is what we want to ask Mr. Ruto. And we want to say, matters housing levy, I think I want to conclude it in this way. Kenyans have a serious trust deficit with the Kenya Kwanza government, with Ruto and Gachagua. They are saying, give us your money, we hold it for you for 7 years, we construct houses somewhere, we give to the poor, and then in 7 years, we'll give you back your money. And what Kenyans are asking is, can we trust you even with 100 shillings? So the question around 1%, 3%, I think those are exterior issues. The issue here is Kenyans are saying unequivocally that they cannot trust Ruto and his government with their savings for 7 years, whether or not the houses will be constructed. If we move on to